Well, I'm Dawn Reese, and we're very excited because now we're just with MCTV. We're here at what studio?
It's Talkwad Studios.
And tell us about Talkwad Studios.
Well, Talkwad Studios has many things to offer, and we do TV production in that room over there. It has about 4 microphones, and you're live to YouTube. It's all through Google Hangouts, and it's actually a really, really cool place to be. This room right here, it does podcast live on air radio. Basically, there's the mixer and studio producer area, and we run everything through a mixer, phone calls, music, and all the microphones that we have in there. And you're going to be live on camera to YouTube, and it's actually a really great thing to do if you want to be on camera and do radio as well.
Wow, that's exciting. Now, you said the Google Hangouts. That's a really powerful statement because a lot of people don't know about Google Hangouts, and I have a friend that does that as well. And tell us more about the Google Hangouts. You can have 8 people up on Google while you're still doing the show?
Basically, you can call into the Google Hangout, and you have a whole bunch of screens, and it basically shows the people who's on there. It's almost like a live video chat, something you could do with Skype, YouTube, or ooVoo as well. We do our live phone calls through Skype, so the producer will never miss a call, and basically you just answer, and boom, there you're live on air, and you just turn the volume up on the computer board, and there you are, you're talking to your guest.
Very cool. Now, we are here today. We're very excited because we have our Miss Junior Teen Florida American Showbiz reporter. I just want to put this on camera. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Oh, good. Are you excited about this studio?
Yes, I am. It's very cool.
I know. So if I'm not co-hosting, I'll be sending my reporters over, and we have some great things that are happening. Now, I have reporters all over the United States, so you're saying that I also can bring in their footage and say, what's Mrs. California doing? And by the way, she's on Container Wars. She's the star of that. And she'll bring in her footage with sit-down interviews, so we can grab that. Is there a certain length of time that we need to air that?
It depends. As long as it goes through your time of your show. It's easy to play. You just click it and drag it over, and there it is. You just insert it through the toolbox, and you click play video, and there it is. You can watch the video live.
Nice. Now, we were also talking, you have a workshop coming up in the spring as well for teens for radio. Can you tell us about that?
Basically, it's a couple-week program, and you have the first week, all the people that come in, all the students and kids that come in, basically, they learn how to use the systems, they learn how to, produce and be in front of the camera and all that sort of jazz. And then the day of the show, you bring in a live audience, and you get to see, watch as the kids make their own product, and it's actually a very cool thing to do if you're interested in all that.
Now, how does someone find out about that? Do they call? Can they call you?
They can call. You would definitely want to call. Or I'm sure there'll be something on the Talkwad Studio.